Okay, so in my last vlog, I talked about the exhaust and everything, and you saw the installation. So in that last one, I put it on there, and I needed new gaskets, whatever you want to call them, to go in between the actual bug. So I talked about getting the gaskets to go in the exhaust there, and so I actually have those gaskets now, and I'm going to install them right here in a minute. That car definitely looks better with the quad exhaust over the single. Let me give you a little picture over here. Okay, so I know I said that Grimspeed makes a good gasket. Well, actually, the one that Grimspeed makes is for the catback to a stock downpipe. Because this car has the Invidia downpipe, it needs obviously just a 3-inch gasket. And so this is from the downpipe to the actual exhaust, the mid-pipe to the cat, and then the actual mid-pipe to the exhaust itself. So you can see the 3 spots. One is up there, 2 is right there. Oh, sorry. 1 up there, 2's here, and then 3 is right here. So that's that. And I think I'm also going to see about getting some new hardware for all these. The other thing you can probably notice is the front tires are both on a board. I would love to get a taller board, but I couldn't find one at this time, so that'll have to do for now. But at least that's better than what it was last time, because last time it honestly sucked with trying to work on here. So it'll be a little bit better, not much, but anything helps at this point. Alright, so here's the new gasket. And the other 2. I'm going to have first 2 connections off, and there is the old one, and what's frankly left of it. So, that's garbage, and was causing some of my leaks. And so that connection you see right there is still, that one right there, still together for now because this mid pipe right here in the middle would just fall down. So I'm going to leave that connected, install the gasket right there. Alright, so we're done with that. So today is one of those days where you get home and you decide that it's time to go out and get food rather than cook food at home, because you have little issues like ants and all that stuff